Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I recently started growing a beard for the very first time, and this hair trimmer by Fannas has been a great addition to start taking care of my beard as a beginner. The trimmer itself looks and feels like great quality, very well made, but of course the most important thing to me is how well it trims and cuts hair. I tried it first with my chest hair and it worked great. It didn't cut me or get stuck anywhere, so it was painless. It feels very comfortable when I trim my beard, very easy to maneuver trimming the edges, and also using a comb to clip some of my beard hairs that were all out of place, making my beard look more groomed and tamed. I also appreciate that the charge holds very well and it charges pretty quick since it has a USB-C charging port. It is also very lightweight, making it portable, making it easy to carry with me anywhere. I think this is such a great deal for what you get, and that is my point of view.